Hi guys, it's me Amar Dharkar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing a very special Steffi doll which is called as the Mega Fashion Steffi doll, right, which looks like this. She is called as the Mega Fashion and she comes with over 45 pieces. So if you are interested to know the details and depth review about this Mega Fashion Steffi doll, so please continue watching. So guys, this is how the outer packaging looks like. I must say the outer box is really sturdy, and as you can see, here it is written Mega Fashion Steffi Love, and here it is written over 45 pieces. So this is how the Steffi doll looks like inside the box. So the outer box, I must say, is in good condition and really sturdy. Here you can see the sunglasses, few purses and footwears, and four clothes. And here are some clips and hairbrushes. Here you can see the necklaces, earrings, and some different stuffs. Again this clutches, a coffee cup, and this is the Barbie wearing the mobile phone with earphones. So I'm going to be unboxing, but this is how the box looks like from behind. And one thing I need to mention that this dress, this, as you can see, this one, this pink one, it has the button, flower button, as you can see, but when you see this, there is no, and it cost Indian price rupees 799, and it is year 20, so it is a 2020 doll. So uh, from the side, this is how the packaging looks. It has it is written Simba, which is a brand name, and here are some pictures, and here also you can see some footwear and coffee cup, etc. And here it is written not meant for children under the age of 3. So guys, are you ready? I'm going to be taking her out. One, two, and oh my god, she looks so beautiful. So guys, as you can see, she is out of the box, and so out of the box she looks like this. So obviously this Steffi doll comes with this information manual kind of a thing, but this is written in different language, so which cannot this language I cannot read. So this is regarding the brand, I guess. So it comes with this doll. So as you can see, the packaging, it is attached. So I'm going to take the doll out first, and let's talk about the doll first, and then we'll talk about. So finally this doll is out of the box, and she looks like this. She's wearing a pink one-piece dress, as you can see, but she's looking really beautiful. She has the blue eyes and a hot pink lipstick. So this is how she looks like. As you can see, she has the blue eyes and she's wearing the hot pink lipstick, and her hair is attached with this tape, and she's wearing the earphones with a mobile attached to her hand, and this purse. She is wearing this socks, but I did not like the socks because it's very loose, and she's wearing the heels. And this is how this doll looks like. Now talking about the hair, I must say that the hair feels soft initially, because when I reviewed the glitter style Steffi doll, her hair was seems very soft initially, but the next day or the day two, her hair gets really brittle, and very rough and brutal. So this is how her hair looks like after one day or two, so which is extremely disappointing. I reviewed this doll on my channel, Glitter Style Steffi, and her hair was looking really soft initially, but within the the next day or day two, her hair condition is like this, extremely rough and brutal. So this you have to keep in mind. So I'm not very sure that how this hair will going to turn out within a week or so, because it is 3 days ago I have reviewed this, I guess. So within 3 days the hair condition is such. So I'm not very sure how the hair condition of this Steffi doll will going to be hold. However, the glitter skates which I have already reviewed on my channel, Steffi, her hair condition is good. So hopefully I feel that her hair condition might be good. So anyways, her hair is attached with this knot and she is wearing this kind of a hairstyle. And talking about the dress, I must say the dress quality is really good, because when it's come to Barbie doll, basic Barbie doll, entry doll, the dress quality is very average. But Steffi dolls, the dress quality is really nice, and it has a velcro at the back, as you can see, which is a good thing. And it has a one shoulder dress, and she is wearing this transparent belt attached with this one piece dress, and she is attached with this bag. So now let's talk about the articulation of this doll. She comes with the 5 points of articulation, not much articulation, just 5 points of articulation. Her hair can go up and down, which is a good thing, left and right. Her hand goes out, and the basic hips, legs. But I just wanted to say that when I have watched the videos of this mega fashion doll on other YouTube on YouTube channel with some other YouTuber, so on that they told that it has a rubbery legs which kind of click. This mega fashion doll has the rubber legs, which I have seen in the YouTube videos. But I got this plastic legs, so it is really strange. I mean, like, you might never know that Steffi doll you are getting the rubber legs or plastic legs. You cannot judge that. Over 45 pieces, as you can see here written. Here you have two clothes, and here two clothes. As you can see here, all the hanger design is different. This hanger and this hanger has the different color. Apart from that, this has a different design, and this has a different design as well. So you're getting 4 different hangers with different design. And now let's see how this looks like. This video will be very long, because if I'll change each and every dress on the same go, so I'll post the pictures of the dresses wearing the Steffi, all the 4 dresses, but one dress I'm going to be showing you on Barbie doll. So let's on the Barbie basic doll, and let's see if this dress fits to her as well. So this dress I'm going to be showing on this video, and other 3 dresses I'll be posting the pictures, because otherwise it will take a very long video and it doesn't feel nice for some viewers. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to be, so this is what it looks like. So now perfectly, she looks so beautiful on this dress. So this Steffi dress has the same measurement, I feel more or less similar. So you can wear this dress on other Barbie dolls as well, which is a good thing. And these are all the shoes and the bags and the hair brushes. So I'm going to be trying few shoes and some stuff I'll be showing. So this 2 purses, transparent. In some videos I have seen that it is a transparent, but it is not transparent. It has a pink shade of glasses. So I'm going to be wearing on her, or else she can keep on the head. So this purse is useless, I feel, because you need to tie with the rubbers, and we added doll collector. I don't think so that I'm going to be playing with it. However, this bag is useful. It can be open As you can see, it has a button, useful for photographs. Like, as it's good. This bag is cute, so this is recommended, and I'm going to keep this, but these two are not my cup of tea. Some of the heels, different pair, so I'm going to be seeing this Barbie. Yes, she can wear as well. So now let's going to try the different footwear. So this is Steffi, also good, because the earlier glitter style, the footwear was very loose and useless, so these are useful. Other pair of footwear I'm going to try. Now let's not the least this footwear. It is quite rubbery, so let's see. So all the footwear fits great on this Steffi, unlike other. You can see the comparison with socks and without socks. So this is dress number 1, very good, and this is dress number 1. Extremely nice quality of this dress, the texture. This is dress number 2, which I have worn on the different doll, which she's upon the remaining 3 dresses. This is dress number 3. As you can see, it is attached on the hanger. So this is a 2-piece dress, this is a top, and this is the skirt. Here you can see the Velcro, and here it is written the instructions and Simba. So the dress quality, I must say, is really nice. It's not cheap or something, and it is comes with the hanger, which is very handy. So this is the top, and even this has the Velcro. So this is a hot pant. It's not a skirt, it is a pant. So I'll be posting the picture wearing this attire on Steffi. So now let's open the other 2. This is a top. It also has the Velcro again, as you can see, and it has a design cherry, and these are the leggings or pants. You can see it's elastic, and it's quite decent quality. I mean, this dress is average, but top quality is good, but the leggings are average quality, so this dress is average. So now the final dress. This is the final dress. This comes in this hanger. It's a jacket. I think it's a professional dress. So as you can see, it has a jacket, and here it is written Simba, and there is no button on this jacket, so which is disappointing. So it's just you have to wear something underneath, or you can wear as it is, but there is no button on this jacket, and it is well folded. So I like the detailing of this jacket. It has a collar. So this is a 2-piece, this is a jacket, and this is a leggings, same leggings as that white one, but this is in purple color. But I did not like the quality of this leggings. It's very average, but the quality of the jacket is really nice and strong and sturdy. So this dress quality is really good. This top's quality is really good, and this is fine, but these 3 it's very average. So these are the average dresses, and this dress is really good. I don't know how this will going to hold. I'm doing it for the first time, so I'm not very sure. This looks like this is the look. So I hope that this video was really helpful to you, and if you really found this video helpful, please give it a like button, and if you genuinely feel like that, if you genuinely enjoyed, then like it. Otherwise there is no compulsion to like my video. I just request, please take care.